Hello and good morning. Welcome to another video of Artisan Automotive.
This is an exclusive MunkBeats release.
Hello and good morning. Welcome to another video of Artisan Automotive. Today we're going straight in on the beautiful beast. Nathan has already started on the wheels. So we're gonna have a look at what we're working on. Today is all about this beautiful thing. Ferrari 488 in for a protection detail. So first things first. Let's get this car cleaned and start assessing what we need to tackle. It is slightly drizzling out here in Nuneaton. Nonetheless, got the tent off. So I'm having to do some of the recording in the van because it's raining outside. Whenever we start a vehicle, we always start on the wheels and give it a thorough rinse down. So right now Nathan's outside giving it a rinse down. I'm going to flip over there so you can see exactly what he's doing. So current situation is it stops raining, we've done the wash, snow foam, the decontamination. We are now drying the car. I'm using Danny's towel because he actually listens to us and he's got the auto finesse drying towel. So time to dry the Ferrari and then we can start applying protection. So current situation is the Ferrari 488 has been completed. It had a protection detail today which comprised of decontamination on the paintwork, the wheels decontaminated and the interior done. So we've done protection on the paint, protection on the wheels and protection on the interior. I'm going to give you a few clips of the car. It's a bit noisy outside, hence the reason why you see me sitting in the van. Let's have a look at the Ferrari and tell me what you think. What more can I say? 488 has now been completed. Another fine video by ourselves. Another day of graft. Had to sacrifice a little bit of hours because it was raining. What can you do? Just got to sit here and wait. So we will be back on Thursday to do the Range Rover. If you haven't done it already, don't forget to smash thumbs up, like it and subscribe. But for now, whatever you do, do it